Have you ever felt like there's a secret code to earning a man's deep respect, something beyond the usual advice? Well, you're about to discover these hidden rules that can transform your relationships. 1. The mysterious rule of independence. Did you know there's one trait that piques a man's curiosity more than anything else? What could it be? Independence isn't just about solo trips and personal hobbies. It's a mindset. When you cultivate an independent spirit, you're not just existing, but thriving on your own terms. This quality can be a beacon, drawing others, including men, towards you. It starts with recognizing your worth outside of any relationship or societal expectation. Find activities that make your soul dance. It could be painting, trekking, or even mastering a new language. When you have tales of your solo adventures or stories of overcoming challenges, it piques curiosity. Such women who can stand tall on their own embody an allure that's both magnetic and captivating. But here's the trick. It's not about showing off. It's about genuinely relishing in your own company. When you exude this kind of self-reliant joy, it sends a powerful message. I choose to be with you, not because I need you, but because I want you. 2. The art of emotional connection. Ever wondered what drives a man to deeply connect with a woman? It's not what you might think. Emotional connection is the glue that holds relationships together. Think of it as the invisible thread that can either bind hearts or, if overlooked, keep them apart. Diving deep into emotions can seem daunting, but it's simple. It begins and ends with genuine understanding. When someone speaks, listen with the intent to understand, not reply. Dive beneath the surface. The stories, the anecdotes, the little details, they matter. Share yours too. While it might seem scary to reveal your vulnerabilities, remember that in showing your true self, you invite others to do the same. Being empathetic is like giving someone a safe space where judgments are left at the door. By fostering such connections, you're not just strengthening your bond with him, but also building a bridge to your own emotional core. 3. Beginner's Guide to Assertiveness. If you're new to asserting yourself, what's the first step you can take to be more respected? Assertiveness isn't about being loud or aggressive. It's about voicing your feelings, needs, and boundaries in a respectful manner for those just embarking on this journey. It might seem like a tightrope walk. Fear not. Start small. For instance, if you always go along with dinner choices, perhaps now's the time to suggest your favorite place. Gradually, extend this to bigger decisions in your life. When expressing yourself, use I statements like I feel or I prefer to prevent sounding accusatory. Remember, it's perfectly okay to say no when you're uncomfortable. Just as you respect others' boundaries, yours deserve the same reverence. Being assertive strengthens not only your relationships, but also your self-esteem. 4. Exploring new dimensions of communication. Ever thought there's a different, more effective way to communicate that men respect? What could it be? Communication is much more than words. It's about tone, body language, and even the silent pauses. While verbal exchanges are direct and clear, sometimes exploring unconventional modes can enhance understanding. For instance, if you find verbal confrontations challenging, pen down your thoughts. Letters or notes can be a therapeutic way of expressing yourself. Alternatively, find shared activities. They offer a neutral ground for discussions. This could be while cooking together, hiking, or even painting. Actions can articulate feelings when words fall short. When men see that you're making efforts to communicate in varied ways, it not only shows commitment, but also a depth of understanding. 5. Turning negativity into respect. How can handling negativity the right way skyrocket your respect for men? Life isn't always sunshine and rainbows. Negative situations are bound to arise, but how you handle them can significantly impact how you're perceived. Instead of getting defensive, try understanding the root cause. Is it a miscommunication or an unmet expectation? By addressing the core issue and not just the symptoms, you foster a more profound respect. Avoid the blame game. Focus on solutions. When faced with criticism, instead of lashing out, reflect upon it. If it's constructive, use it for growth. If it's baseless, let it roll off without affecting your peace. 6. The secret language of self-respect. What hidden language do men instinctively respect, and how can you master it? There's an unspoken language that everyone, men included, instantly recognize. The language of self-respect. It's the way you carry yourself, the boundaries you set, and the choices you make. Every decision, big or small, speaks volumes about the respect you hold for yourself. For instance, consistently prioritizing self-care, be it mental or physical, sends a message that you value yourself. Also, do not tolerate disrespect, not out of pride, but out of love for yourself. When setting boundaries, be firm but kind. Remember, you teach people how to treat you by showing them how you treat yourself. When men see a woman who genuinely respects herself, they not only admire her, but they also understand that if they wish to be a part of her world, they must treat her with the same reverence she holds for herself. 7. The time frame of earning respect. How long does it really take to earn a man's deep respect? And what's the fastest way to get there? Gaining respect isn't a one-time event. It's a continual process. You might wonder, how long before I earn his deep respect? Well, the answer isn't straightforward. While first impressions matter, enduring respect is earned over time through consistency. It's in the way you uphold your values, even when it's inconvenient. It's in the moments you choose understanding over conflict and authenticity over pretense. With time, these consistent actions compound, painting a picture of who you truly are. And the truth is, respect that's earned over time, through repeated actions, holds a weight that's hard to shake off. So be patient and persistent in your journey. 8. Avoiding the respect pitfalls. What are the common mistakes that can make men lose respect for you? And how can you avoid them? While many actions can earn respect, certain behaviors can rapidly erode it. Drama, petty conflicts, or constantly playing the victim can quickly diminish how you're perceived. Similarly, being inauthentic or manipulative can harm your reputation. It's crucial to be aware of these pitfalls. Instead of getting embroiled in drama, seek clarity. Instead of harboring grudges, communicate and clear misunderstandings. If you feel hurt, express it without resorting to blame. Remember, every interaction is an opportunity to either build or chip away at respect. 9. The contrast principle in respect. How can contrasting your behavior in unexpected ways drastically increase a man's respect for you? Life is full of contrasts. It's in the ebb and flow, the highs and lows. Interestingly, respect too can be enhanced using the contrast principle. Occasionally, step out of your usual behavior. If you're generally reserved, voice your opinions more. If you're always the planner, let someone else take the reins. These contrasts make people sit up and notice. They challenge perceptions, making those around you realize there's more to you than meets the eye. By introducing unexpected contrasts in your behavior, you intrigue and keep the relationship dynamic. 10. Realizing your potential for respect. What's the ultimate goal in being respected by men? And how can you achieve it starting today? Within every individual lies a vast potential, a beacon of possibility waiting to be tapped. It starts with acknowledging your innate worth, embracing both your strengths and vulnerabilities. The path to garnering respect is an inward journey of self-awareness and growth. When you pursue personal aspirations with zeal, the world, including men, can't help but notice every goal you chase, every challenge you overcome, and even the simplest acts of grace contribute to the mosaic of your character. By continuously evolving and pushing your boundaries, you illuminate the depth of your potential. This not only draws respect from others, but also fosters a profound self-respect. Check out this playlist of the top 10 videos on relationship advice for women, and we'll see you in the next video with love.